we're giving you a slot on the Business for Coaches seminar. Have fun!
Who's in charge while Coach Gridiron is away?
You do it!
All complaints are now submitted through the complaint box.
How does this help us play the game better?
It's building character! Is it okay to want to scrap them?
Oh, yeah.
We want Petrocola to synergize with Thunderbolts.
An extraordinary amount of money.
How much?
Where
do we sign?
Everything is going according to plan, Dark Lord.
Excellent. Soon they will be so dependent on the Dlubko money, they will do anything we tell them. And when they fight the Bloodbots, we will pound them into rubble.
Look, team, let's just give it a try. I'm sure these new promotional tools will be completely horrifying.
In my mouth and out my... Whatever the problem is, you sort it out yourself. Hey, look at me. Come on, guys. Everybody loves a refreshing out. You two big tin suits have a contract to make my team look like a bunch of walking billboards. Section 34, paragraph C. The agreement shall not apply in situations where outside parties get pummeled to scrap due to lack of action on the part of the team wearing Petrocola logo wear. Blip never signed your contract. So he is. I'll win. Gunboats, cut your dragon and drop your swagging. I did good, didn't I, Coach?
Come on, son.